couple torque wrenches in here, 1/4 inch, 3/8, some hose tools. This is my 1/4 inch drawer where all my 1/4 inch stuff is. Sockets, ratchets, extensions and things. This is my hammer drawer. When it's hammer time, that's the drawer I go to. This is my sockets, ratchets, all kinds of miscellaneous stuff in there. Here we've got wrenches and another torque wrench, pry bars and the like. Another incredibly messy one with different ratchets and wrenches. Now we're getting into the stuff I hardly ever see, hardly ever use. All kinds of stuff. Off to the side is where I keep my pry bar. And then in here's my electrical drawer, which is an absolute mess. Just the way I like it. We've got all kinds of stuff that just keeps on going.